Let's find the particular solution. Whoa, already from the very beginning, we're just going to find a particular solution, so there is no more of this general solution stuff. So my final answer won't be, oh, well, this is what happens if I don't know C, and this is what happens when I do. It's going to be like, I know C. I know it. I got it. That's going to be my final answer. Good to know, huh? I think so. So what we're going to do is solve. Let's use purple. We're going to solve this thing by separating our variables, and that's kind of the point. Notice that both of these denominators are y, so from the very beginning, I'm gonna bring my work over here so I have plenty of space to spread out. And I'm gonna multiply everything by y, and when I do, I have, how can I word this? I'll have y dy equals 2x plus 3x squared, and while we're at it, why don't we get in focus? There we go. And multiply by dx. So it's kind of like I'm cross multiplying. So this is all like one big fraction with a y in the denominator, common denominator, right? Bring the y up, bring the dx up. Okay. And they did give us an initial condition. We'll play that game later. In the meantime, let's grab our green integrating pen. Thank you, pen. Your job is now done. And we will integrate this thing. So 1/2 y squared, call it y squared over 2 if you like, equals x squared plus y cubed plus some constant c. We are now at the step, I'm super excited. We are now at the step where we can just plug in a 4 and a negative 2. You might say, oh, why don't you solve for y? Don't, because then you'll be doing things to the c and it changes. No. Just go ahead, at this point, plug in the 4 and the negative 2. If you're going to follow steps, I think we should. Separate, integrate, then plug it in. My voice just cracked. Then plug it in, then solve. Let's plug this in. 1/2 negative 2 squared equals 4 squared plus 4 cubed plus c. All right, that gives me 4 times 2, 4 divided by 2. So 2 equals 16 plus 64 plus c. So that gives me, oh goodness, 80? Yeah, 80 plus c is 2, so c is negative 78. Yes, I'm happy. If you're happy, you happy? I'm happy. I now know c, so what I'm gonna do is start back here, knowing c, and I'm gonna solve it for y. So this kind of cycles back around, like I took a little detour so I could find c. Yay, we found it. And so we're gonna start back here. The step, 1/2 y squared equals x squared plus x cubed minus 78. We're going to solve this for y. And when we do, we will double it. 2x squared plus 2x cubed minus 156. And then we're going to square root it. And y equals the square root of 2x squared plus 2x cubed minus 156. And we have found the particular solution. Yay! Wait, we haven't. Okay, and you're probably thinking, oh yeah, you're right, because technically it's f of x. Yay! No, we're wrong. Oh, well, then let's look back through our work. No need. Here's where we're wrong. All right, and I did this problem on purpose because I want you to be careful. Here goes. If you plugged in a 4, you plug in a 4, you plug in a 4, you type it all in, you get some stuff. What are you going to get? You should get a negative 2, right? Let's see what you get. This is kind of a silly exercise here, but let's do it this way. Let's do 4 stores as x. We'll do it that way, and then we'll go square root of 2x squared plus 2x cubed minus 156. What are we going to get? We better get negative 2. Crap. We didn't. Well, we have a problem then. No, we don't. It's easily solvable. In the process of doing all this, we should get a negative 2. Anytime you square root, you have the option of plus or minus. Well, which one are we going to choose? Minus, because that will truly help us satisfy our initial condition. Will they always be minus? No. This one is, because plugging in a 4 without the minus would not give us the negative we want. Plugging in a 4 with the minus will give us the negative we want. This is our final answer. Good? Sure hope so. We'll move on to the next problem in the next video.